Hey there, it's Lori. Listen, I just wanted to shoot this quick video, this little tutorial, and share it with my new members of Neumi. If you're new, then you might not really know where to start. So, super simple. Once you become a member, you will have access to your own back office. So with your username and your password, you can log into your back office. And, the first thing you want to do is just, you know, take a look around it, get familiar with the layout of it. Up here in the top left-hand corner, you've got the home button, business shop, training, etc. So, the first thing, well, not the first thing, just a couple of important things. Like down here in this tools menu, we have documents and media. And in there, we have the fast start plan, that first one there. You'll definitely want to maybe print that out. And we also have it in Spanish. I just printed out the Neumi Success Guide, so I'm going to take a look at that. But you definitely, the Power of 3 tracker down here at the bottom, definitely print that out. If you want to grow your Neumi business, let me see. Let me open that up. Where did it go? Guess I could have downloaded it again, but there it is. So it's all about, just telling people. Sharing is caring, and everybody knows 3 people. So if we just follow that duplication, if all of us just follow that, it is so easy to earn a weekly income, a monthly income. There's 7 different ways to get paid with Neumi. But print this out. That first circle on the left, that's you. So your first goal is to get 3 people. The next column over right there, tier 1 bonus. So if you enroll 3 members, now this is just members, this isn't customers, there's other ways to get paid, but this is members, others that, want to earn compensation for sharing the product. So you'll get 3. Once you get those 3 as members, first of all, you're going to earn 25% of their order, plus residuals, monthly from then on with their continued orders. But you're going to get this tier 1 bonus, $50, just because you told 3 people. That's a monthly bonus. So as long as they stay active, those 3 stay active, or any 3 that you personally enrolled stay active, that's $50 per month residual. So then you just want to duplicate. You want to tell them 3, hey, let's help tell your 3. So once they get their 3, each of them get 3, then you're in tier 2. That's going to be a $250 monthly bonus because you helped your 3 people get 3 people. Duplicate it again. All of those people just get 3 people. Then you are in the tier 3 bonus. Trying to expand my screen here, which is $1,500 per month residual. Every month, as long as these people, stay active, which you'll always, be referring other people, not as salesmen, but just referring a great product. So that's really, really exciting. It didn't take me long to get my tier 2 bonus at all. So that's the power of 3. You want to print that out. And then let's see, what else did I want to? Okay, so let me go back over here. Let's see. I'm still in documents and media. Okay, so we have marketing assets. We have our medical advisory board, brochures, product sheets, logos, backgrounds, all kinds of stuff. We got the compensation plan in here that you can print out or read about. What else? Okay, so the Neumi app. That's something that I wanted to go over. So whether you have an iPhone or an Android, or even if you just use your computer, we do have a desktop version. I have an Android. So the Neumi app, I've already downloaded it. You just go to your Play Store, or this, your back office will take you right to it. But I'm going to open up my Neumi app, which is separate from my back office. So first, when you first download it for the first time, you'll probably get to this welcome screen, and it's going to take you through a couple of steps and kind of show you around a little bit. So you'll just go through that, and then you'll have this media, all kinds of media in here. The main ones that I use, sometimes I'll send somebody a message, but this one here, this is just the 2-minute shareable, and you can click on share. And if you already have contacts in here, you would just select existing prospects, or you can use your device contacts. Once you click on device contacts, it'll open up your contact list, or you can just enter your prospect manually and then click on continue. Let me see. I'll just do a test one here. Okay, so you select if you want to text them or messenger, email, whichever. You can set the little alarms if you want to remind yourself to check back in with them. Then click on continue, and it will open up, well, that's showing all my messages, but anyways, it'll open up a text message, and you can edit that message if you want to, but simply send it to them. And then another one I use is Steve Scott Explains the Breakthrough. That's a 17-minute video. Super, super good. I like to, that's a good one. But, we also have the Tuesday and Thursday Zooms with Steve Scott every Tuesday and Thursday. I think there's 2 different times during the day and then in the evening that you can invite prospects to. And then there's just all kinds of good stuff in here. Just get familiar with it. There's a lot of stuff you might just want to read for yourself. There's stuff that you might want to share with somebody. We've got our medical advisory board down there somewhere. I might have just passed it. Oh yeah, right here. Got our medical advisory board, and none of our medical doctors are paid to talk about and promote Neumi. Dr. Crozier has a couple of interviews in here. This blue one here, that's new. That was just out the other day. It was a live Zoom. That's a really good Zoom if you missed it. Dr. Bethany Dixon has a video as well. She's the one that did the trucker study. Okay, so you can also get back to your back office through the Neumi app. So I'm going to go back to my back office because I wanted to go over something else here. The shop button. If you're not already set up on auto ship, you want to go ahead and manage your auto ship. If you don't have auto ship in here, there will be nothing on the screen but the little blue plus sign down in the lower right hand corner. So click on that, and you can schedule your time, what you want to order. I just do the essential pack, 1 of each, the swish and the spray. Have it sent to my house once a month. And I like to do it early in the month as possible, because that's going to make sure that I am qualified to earn my weekly and my monthly commissions. I don't want to take any chances on not earning those commissions. So the earlier the better, I just think. So, just click on the plus sign and you can set up your auto ship. Let me go back to the home screen here. So you'll have your business snapshot. See these 2 little check boxes, monthly commission qualified and weekly commission qualified. So those have a check mark. if I wasn't qualified, one of them is going to have an X in it. But and I think the one of them isn't going to, each month we go into a new month. Once your orders go through, the check mark will be there. So you just want to make sure you got auto ship, because you don't want to miss any commissions. If your order hasn't gone through, it's at the end of the month and you got people placing orders under you, I would not want to miss my commissions on that. So this is showing that I have my personal volume 100 because I've already placed my order this month. I have 2 customer count. Now that is not members. That's people that have come in under me as customers only. I do like customers. I love customers because we get 25% of every order that they place every month from here on out. As a member, when we bring in members, we get 25% of their first order. And then remaining orders afterwards, we get 7% of. And we also qualify that it also goes into another pool for like the unilevel bonuses and so forth. Reward point balance. Right now I have 200. I'm not really sure how this works. I know I can use my points to shop. They just showed up there, and I don't know why. I mean, just maybe from ordering, they just give you points, but you can use those to shop with as well. The e-wallet, I just would click on that little arrow down here that says open wallet. It'll take me to another website that opens up my wallet where my commissions are paid, and I can either use those commissions to purchase more product, or I can cash out if I want. Whatever you want to do. Just let it build up or cash out to your bank account. You've got your marketing site down here that you can share with others. And then you got all your past orders. And it shows you how far you're in the training. Got Power of 3 tracker. They do have gift cards. I've purchased a couple of gift cards and shared with people. And then the QR code. I think that's all I wanted to go through. It's just a quick tutorial. So, yeah, like I said, just get familiar, print out some things. I've printed out quite a lot. I have a little workbook here, so I can learn all I can about the products and about how to run the business. So, yeah, I guess that's it. All right, well, thank you for listening. And as always, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me.